Shalva, you want to see more? Bubble. That's the second time Shalva's ever seen bubbles like this. The first was a half a second ago, and she's already imitating Bubble. Yay! Dip. Shalva, 1, 2, 3. Bubble? What do you want? Bubble? Good. Good, Shalva. Here, look. Bubble. Bubble. Should mommy blow more? What do you want? What do you want? Bubble. Bubble. What do you want? Bubble. Bubble. No yelling. Shalva, what do you want? Bubble. Bubble? Good, Shalva. Mommy will do it. Oof. Once it's finished already. Bubble. Wow. Where'd they go? They just pop, right? You want more, Shalva? More what? Bubble. Look, look. Oh no, she missed it. There you go. Pop. Can you pop them? Shalva. They popped. This is a cool thing. Whoa, let's clean you.